We work with a lot of high-octane leaders. They have big ideas and big growth plans. The reason they come to us is that they're finding it harder to keep clients and get enough new clients to grow. Selling more has reached a point of diminishing returns, and sometimes we have to tell them they put too much focus on revenue, and as a result, nobody understands the vision. It's time for an overhaul. It reminds me of my friend. He had this old Chevette. This car always needed repair. Every 30 days, like clockwork, something needed fixing. 500 here, 1,000 there. Then his mechanic said something that caused him to stop the insanity and purchase a new car. He said, "It's going to cost you more to fix this than purchasing a new car." You see, my friend was constantly focused on fixing the car instead of focusing on reliable transportation. He was oblivious to the fact that fixing his car had reached the point of diminishing returns. If you want more revenue, and you find the process getting harder, start with a tune-up of your vision with a professional and find out if it needs repair or it's time to replace. Don't forget, Apple's vision had no mention of an app store or smartphones in its vision when it was started in a garage. They wanted to sell computers. Imagine if they didn't evaluate their vision and went for selling more computers instead of the smartphone market. The fact that just because your vision got you where you are does not indicate it will get you where you want to go. In fact, it might create a problem of turning your focus to revenue needed for constant repairs and diminishing returns. Check your vision statement.